Hello junior college boys and girls, hello moms and dads. I hope everybody is keeping well, I hope everyone's keeping safe. I am Coach Erin and I miss everyone a lot. I haven't seen you guys in over a month. So I hope you guys are ready to have some fun with me today. We're going to be doing a lot of fun activities. You guys only need two things, okay? You need your water bottle, okay? Coach has his very close by. And then number two, you need lots and lots of energy, okay? So I want you just to grab it, get some energy, awesome. Okay, then we are going to start by stretching, how we always start before we do our lessons, okay? So I want everybody, can we go feet together, go shoop, and stretch up to the sky, go shoo, and see if you can touch a cloud, see if you can touch the clouds, and down to your toes. Down to your toes. Keep those legs straight. Okay, keep your legs straight and down to your toes. There we go. Keep them straight and up to the sky. Touch the clouds and down to your toes. Down to your toes. There we go. And up to the middle. Good job, guys. Good job. All right. What we're gonna do now? I want you guys to go shoop, and we are going to open our legs. Go shoop. Okay, now you need to listen carefully because we're going to take this hand and we're going to go across our body over to the other foot on the other side. Okay, then we're going to take this hand and go over to the other foot on the other side. Can you see? So we're going to go down and up. I want you to remember, keep your legs straight, facing forwards. Okay, and let's go. Let's go down and up, and down, and up, and down, and keep going, and up, and down, and up. Awesome, guys, awesome, and let's go, zoop. Let's say, aye, aye, coach, nice. We are going to balance like a flamingo, okay? So your feet are going to be together, and we're just going to bend our one knee back like this. Okay, so we're just going to bend back and we're going to balance for coach. Just balance like that for coach. There we go. And let's go over to the other side. So swap legs and put the other one back like a flamingo. And balance. Try not to fall over. There we go. Good job, guys. Good job. There we go. Well done. And what we're going to do is swap over again. There we go. And what I want you guys to do is we're going to lean forward for coach. Lean forward, touch as far as you can go. Nice. And I want you guys to lean out this way. Lean as far as you can go. Don't fall. Up. And lean out the other way. As far as you can go. Lean out. Nice. And if you fall over, don't worry. Just carry on. Go onto your other foot now. And lean. Put your flamingo leg up. And let's go. Lean forward for coach. Lean forward as far as you can go. And let's go sideways as far as you can go. And to the other side. Don't fall. Oops. Don't fall, guys. Don't fall. It's okay. There we go. Nice. Awesome, guys. Awesome. Okay. Next thing, we're going to do our ninja kicks. Okay. So, we've got to show coach how strong you are. So go jump. And let's go. Nice. And we are going to pick our foot up. This time, we are going to pick it up in the front. Okay, we're going to balance like this for coach. Okay, so let's go up. Let's go super, duper, ninja, and kick. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job. And let's go to the other side. And let's go super, duper, ninja, and kick. Well done. And we're going to do the other leg. So pick up your other leg for coach. Pick up the other leg. And let's go super, duper, ninja, and wow. Well done. And last one. So strong. Go strong. And pick up that leg. Let's go super, duper, ninja, and wow. Well done, guys. Well done. Awesome. Okay. Now I want you to take your hands. Put them on your head. On your shoulders, on your tummy, on your knees, on your toes, on your knees, on your tummy, on your head, on your ears, on your nose. Are you keeping up? And on your ears. And I want you guys to go across on your shoulders. And let's go on your knees and across. And on your toes and across. And on your knees and on your tummy. And on one shoulder. And on the other shoulder. And on your head. On your head. And on your ears. And on your smelly bum. And on your knees. And on one foot. And the other foot. And up in the sky. There we go, there we go. And on your shoulders. On your tummy. On your knees. And crisscross. On your shoulders. And crisscross. Well done, guys, well done. And put your finger on your nose. Well done, guys. You guys ready? So now we're going to jog on the spot. We're going to get warm. So let's jog. Jog on the spot. There we go. And let's jog in a circle. Jog around. Jog around. Don't knock anything over. Be careful. Jog around. Jog around. There we go. Nice, guys. Good jogging. Good jogging. And we're going to bounce. Are you guys ready? We're going to bounce around now. So let's go. Bounce, 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 bounce. Keep going. One more circle. Bounce around, bounce around, bounce around, bounce around. Like a bunny. There we go. Well done, guys. Well done. And what we are going to do now, okay, is we are going to pretend we're skipping. So we're going to hold the skipping rope and we're just going to swing it around. It's an invisible skipping rope and we're just going to bounce on our toes. Just up and down. Pretend to skip. Keep your feet together. Stay on your toes. Look, coach is on his toes. It's on his toes. There we go. There we go, guys. Well done, well done. Go grab some water for coach. It's a very good start. You're doing very well. Let's go grab some water. Get mom and dad to help you if you need some help. Moms and dads, if you guys could send some photos of all my champions doing the activities, I'd love to see. Haven't seen them in ages, so I'd really appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Have some more water and let's go. Okay, guys, we are going to have our feet shoulder width, so just a little bit open, and we're going to make big butterfly wings. Okay, but we need to fly as far as we can. So I don't want us to flap like this. We are going to flap from here all the way down to the ground and all the way back up. Can you see coach is going all the way? He's bending his knees all the way to the ground and up to the sky. And again, let's go fly like a butterfly and up and let's go like a butterfly. Nicely done, nicely done. Keep going, keep going, keep flying. We have to get all the way there, all the way, all the way. Well done, well done. Hey, and let's go zoop. And I want us now to bend your arms, go choop, and make fists. Make fists for coach. Good job. And we're going to make circles. So we're going to make a circle in front for coach. You're going to make a circle. You're going to hold it by your chest, and you're going to make a circle. We're going to do a little bit of dancing. A little bit of dancing. I don't know what this move is called. You can tell coach in the comments if you know what this dance move is called, because I don't know. And keep going. Keep going. Fast, fast, fast. Let's go faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Faster, faster, faster. Well done. Well done. And relax. Shake them out. Shake them out like spaghetti. There we go. There we go. Okay. What are we going to do now, guys? I want us... Whew, coach is tired. We are going to go straight arms. Okay? We're going to put them by our side. Alright, so from here, we're going to go straight arms. We're going to go up, 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 and together, like we're going to dive in the pool. Okay? So we're going to go from here, all the way up, and down. and up, and down, and up, and down. And let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep going like we're gonna dive in the pool. And dive. There we go. And up and dive. And let's go. And dive. And let's go. And dive. And again. And let's see you dive. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. Okay. What we are going to do now is we're gonna balance like a flamingo. So we're gonna go up like this. But this time we are going to bounce up and down. So let's bounce up and down like a flamingo. Bounce up and down. There we go. There we go. And let's swap legs onto the other one. Onto the other leg. There we go. Up and down. Up and down. Awesome, guys. Up and down. Up and down. Nice. There we go. Let's go back into our flamingo. So swap over again to the other leg. And we're going to go into our flamingo. Whoa. Going to go into your flamingo. And we are going to be Superman. So I want you guys to put your arm out and your leg back. And we're going to pretend to fly through the sky like Superman. And let's go whoosh, whoosh. There we go. Fly, fly, fly. And let's go to the other side. To the other side. So other leg. And lean forward like Superman. And leg up. Leg up. Leg up. And fly, fly, fly. Awesome. Awesome. And again, balance like a flamingo. And jump up and down. Jump up and down. Good job. And let's go other foot up and down. Up other foot up and down. Good job. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna pretend our legs are scissors. Okay, so you know you have to be very careful with scissors. So we're gonna go like this, and we're gonna go across and open, and across and open, and across. Keep going. Go across and open. Nice. Nice. And cross. Criss cross. Criss cross. Criss cross. Nicely done. And you can relax your legs. Relax your legs. And I want us to go like this. Backwards and forwards. So we're gonna go 1 foot forward, the other foot forward. And we're just gonna bounce like this. Like this. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Guys, go grab some water. Go grab some water. That was a good one. I'm sure we're feeling a bit more tired. Go get water. Take a deep breath in. Go. And out. And in. And out. And in one more time. And out. Excellent. Guys, what we're going to do next, okay? Have your water, watch coach, because we're going to go into our sit-up position. So we're going to sit, we're going to go flat feet on the floor, flat feet, bent knees, okay? And we're going to pretend we're lying on the beach. So we're going to lean back like this. We're going to lean back like this, okay? And we're going to take our arms away. Take your arms away. There we go. There we go. Try lean back for coach. And make your legs straight. Make them straight. And what we're going to do, we're going to clap. So we're going to go like this. We're going to clap. Then we're going to clap under. Then we're going to clap. And then under. And then the other leg. So you're just going to pick your leg up and clap under your leg. Then up. So you're going to clap up here, down, up here, down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep clapping. Middle, right leg, other leg, other leg, other leg. Awesome, awesome. Good job, good job. Guys, we are going to pretend next, with our knees bent, we're going to pretend we're on the beach. Okay? So like we were lying back, relaxing, we're going to dig a hole now on this side. So we got our spade. Okay, take your spade. We're going to dig a hole over here. And we're going to make a big sand castle over here. So we're going to go like this. We're going to dig. And we're going to build a sand castle. And dig. And build your sand castle. So keep your legs bent. Keep your legs bent. And you're gonna go from one side, dig, and build your sandcastle. And again, dig, and build your sandcastle. Keep going. I want to see who can build the biggest one. Who can build one bigger than Coach's one. Nice. Well done, well done. Awesome. And I want you guys now to go into push-up position. So we're going to take our hands and we're going to go on our hands and our feet. Okay, on your hands and your feet. Try and make your back straight. Try and make your back straight. Good job. And what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're kicking all the sharks in the head. So we're going to go like this. We're going to go up and kick. Because we're on the beach, we've got to kick all of them. We're going to go up and kick. And up to your chest and kick. And bend your knee up to your chest and kick. And keep going. Keep going. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. There we go. There we go. And stand up for coach. Stand up for coach. Awesome. Okay, guys, let's jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Jog on the spot. Okay, listen carefully. Coach has got his invisible whistle. Okay, so we're going to jog. When coach blows his whistle, when I go shh, we're going to take our leg and we're going to make it straight and we're going to kick up in the sky. Can you see? Coach is making his leg straight, lock, and then he's kicking it up. And then he's going to jog. And he's going to kick up the other one. Lock. And go. Jog. And up. Nice. Keep that leg straight. Keep jogging. Keep jogging. Keep going. And up. Nice. And up. Good job. And other one up. And up. Here we go. Now guys, we're going to kick like a donkey. So we're going to kick back. But I want you guys to try to keep your legs straight still. And kick back for coach. And same leg, back. Same leg, back. And back. And back. And let's go to the other leg. And back. And back. And back. One more. And back. Good job, guys. Go grab your water. Go grab some more water. Last sip. Let's go. Okay. Are you guys ready? I want you guys to take your hands. Put them on your shoulders. Put them on your head. Put them in the sky. Put them on your knees. Make your knees straight. Go. Choop. Put them on your feet. Put them on your toes. Keep them straight. Your knees straight. Put them on your knees. Go crisscross. Go crisscross. And toes. And knees. And tummy. And shoulders. And head. And shoulders. And tummy. And ears. Well done, boys and girls. And I want you guys arms out. Arms out. There we go. And rotate for coach. Just rotate. Rotate. Keep your legs straight. Keep them facing forwards. And just go side to side. Just rotate. There we go. There we go. Like a spinning spin. Just keep spinning. Just keep spinning. There we go. There we go. Like a tornado. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for joining me on episode number 7. You guys did awesomely. I'm very excited to see you guys soon. I want to see how much you guys have grown, how much you're enjoying coach's lessons, right? Guys, please join us for our next one. Please remember to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you guys soon.